this is Todd from the Hilton Home Team. We're here today at 265 Grandor Road in Kagawong on beautiful Manitoulin Island. Let's walk this stunning waterfront lot together. This beautiful lot, which measures over an acre in size, has tons of flat potential building areas for your future home or recreational property. Have you heard the buzz about Manitoulin Island sunsets? Well, this west-facing waterfront property will give you the best of the best. At 150 feet of frontage, this one's not going to last long. Give us a call.